am going to preach to you what makes David or what urged David to fight Goliath. What pushed King David to fight Goliath? You know why? Because Goliath mocked God. He underestimate the power of God. He says that the God of Israel cannot fight him because of his strength. That is why when King David hear the voice of Goliath mocking God, he says, I will fight Goliath. I will fight him. Then no one is able to fight Goliath because of his giant appearance. He is a mighty armor that cannot be defeated by any Israel people. But when King David stand, he says, because you are mocking my God, because you are mocking my God, I am going to give your eyes to be fed to the bird. And they began to fight. And when King David strike Goliath, bang, the stone, the small stone that King David has in his hand, kill Goliath. You know why? That is, I am warning everyone to those who love persecuted God power. The moment that you underestimate the power of God, mark my word, you are like Goliath. That anytime God is going to make you down, just to prove His strength to you, just to prove His power to you, just prove His ability to you. And what is stone? You know, the stone is a mark of God. When God write the 10 commandment, He write it in the stone, in the tab of stone, so that no one can erase His word. That is why the word of God is powerful, because it was right in the stone. It's just a small paper maybe, but the stone, it is in the eyes of God. Bible was written in the stone. And according to God, He says, Peter, I am making you a rock. A rock that is not break by anyone. I am making you a temple. And according to the word of God, the stone that has thrown by man is the stone that a person can become. The stone is very important to God, because stone emphasize the ability of God. And the stone is the mark of God, that He is the rock, the foundation that cannot be broken. A stone that cannot be break by a man. That is why, according to the word of God, anyone who build his home is like a build that his home in the rock. Whenever the ocean or whatever calamity strike them, he is like a rock that stand. And you know, that rock emphasize the power of God. That rock emphasize the, the magnificent God. And that is why we need the rock, and that is Jesus Christ. He himself is our strong foundation. He himself is the ability to save everyone's life. God bless.